charcoal because I do it a lot, and it kind of helps the earth for carbon sequestration and climate change. But also for my garden, there's a lot of uses for that because it can hold nutrients and water and release it over time, and it's really long term and good. So it kind of helps for that. But it has no nutritional value by itself. So you want to inoculate it and stuff before putting it in your garden. Also because, well, it's kind of going to take up all the nutrients. So you don't really want to do that because your garden might not do a lot of growing for a year, probably. Well, I don't know. I've never really tried it, but I make lots of charcoal using the cone pit method. And I collect a lot of wood, and it helps take care of all the wood and just helping just clean it up. Yeah, it's really helpful. Back here, I have my wagon, which I've been doing a lot of picking up wood with. So you want to have put it out with almost a lot of water. Let's just say, not a whole lot, but actually, you probably want about 3 of these full of water. At least that's what I've been using, and it's worked. The last time that I did it, I only did 2, and it turned to ashes. That's the one big problem. You never want your charcoal to turn to ashes. Seriously, it's really bad. Probably because it takes a lot of time collecting all the wood and burning it up, but whatever. Except for it's not if it turns to ash. Yeah, I really like doing stuff with fire. So, charcoal's really fun because I like just being out in the woods. As you can see, this is not a green screen. Not a green screen. I have some wood behind me here that I've been picking up stuff with my wheelbarrow. It's kind of cold out, but so yeah, this is where we do fires and all kinds of stuff. Yeah. Plenty of charcoal. There's a bit of charcoal back there. You probably can't see it. I don't think you can. But yeah, I use the cone pit method because I don't for all the kilns or stuff. The kilns are expensive, and if you use oil drums and stuff, well, that can be one thing. Probably still expensive. I mean, I bet you could get it sometimes for free. There's a stick that fell. So yeah, and when you get the oil drums, I don't like how it burns anyway. I feel like it just turned to ash. I mean, well, that happens with my cone pit. So, yeah, I do a lot of stuff with charcoal, so yeah, I also like being outdoors, so kind of neat reason. So